Hello, my lovely Aquarius. How are you all? And I hope you are doing wonderful, amazing, safe wherever you are in the world. I welcome you all in my channel. This is your bonus love messages for the March 2021. I hope it help you out in some manner. Please check your sunshine, moonshine, and Venus sign. If it does not resonate with you, Aquarius, you can skip it out and take whatever is resonating according to your situation and according to your condition and leave the rest. Let's start your reading. If you have already subscribed yet, thank you, thank you, thank you. If you have not, please subscribe to the channel so that you can get all important messages which are important for you. Let's see what are the messages for my lovely Aquarius. Please help me out, guides, God, spirits, angels, fairy, every single positive energy around me. Give me the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius all over the world. Beautiful. A new start is coming for you, Aquarius. A win-win outcome is forecast. You and your loved ones are safe. Let me see all cards. It's time to take action. Believe in the impossible. What are the messages? A fairy climax approaches. You are good enough. Any other message? Okay. So a new start is coming for you, Aquarius, because a fairy climax approaches full moon in Aries. Okay, so a fairy climax is approaches, a new start is coming for you. Beautiful message is here. Okay, believe in the impossible. Believe in the impossible, because impossible is nothing. I am possible. Okay, impossible is I am possible. So believe in the impossible. A new start is coming for you, Aquarius. Then there is a win-win outcome is forecast. Full moon in Libra. Okay, there is something in which a win-win outcome is forecast for you. You and your loved ones are safe. New moon in Cancer. Okay, it's time to take action, Aquarius. New moon in Aries. A new romantic cycle begins. A new moon in Libra. You are good enough. Full moon in Virgo. Okay, end of a tough cycle approaches. New moon, full moon in Capricorn. Okay, the end of a tough cycle approaches. Full moon in Capricorn. So these are the messages from Moonology deck, and the signs you may be dealing with are Aries, Libra, Cancer, Aries, Libra, Virgo, and Capricorn. Aries and Libra is here more. So these are the signs which you may be dealing with: Aries, Libra, Cancer, Virgo, and Capricorn. So these can be the signs. Thank you so much, Moonology deck, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from Numerology deck. What are the messages for my Aquarius? Parenting. What are the messages? Completion. Manifestation. What are the messages? Happy ending, spiritual partnership, leadership. Okay, let me see all messages. Adventure. Okay, if you're having kids in your home, so you have to spend some more time with your parenting. Do some more time in parenting. Spend some more time with your kids. There is a completion and there is an happy ending here both. Okay, so there is an happy ending, there is a completion which is coming for you, Aquarius. And in the Moonology deck also there was uh, there was the message that end cycle or end of a tough cycle is going to end. Okay, a new start is coming for you. There is manifestation, so maybe you're doing some kind of manifestation. There is completion, there is a happy ending. Okay, there is health here, there is health, and there is time out. Okay, let me read it out here like this. So maybe you have to take a break. Time out means you have to take a break and take care of yourself and take care of your health, Aquarius. There is relationship change which is going to happen for you, Aquarius, and there is spiritual partnership which is coming for you. So spiritual partnership and relationship change is indicated here. There is leadership and there is adventure. Some kind of adventure is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, and you have to get your leadership quality here. Leadership and adventure message is here. Then there is self discipline and financial discipline, both are here, which is coming for you. You have to maintain your self discipline, and financial discipline is coming for you. Have some compassion here. Compassion card is here for you. So these are the messages which I was getting for you from Numerology deck. And the numbers which can be important for you are 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 9, 3, 6, 7, 3, 6, 7, 8 and 9. Okay, 3, 6, 7, 8 and 9 can be an important number for you, Aquarius. Okay, so these are the messages from Numerology deck. Thank you so much, Numerology deck, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Let's see what are the messages from Animal Spirit Oracle deck. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? What are the messages? See, you have to take time out. You have to spend some time. See, same message is here. Brown Bear Spirit, take time out, time out. So maybe you're working for a long period of time. The time has come to spend some time out. Have a holiday. Okay, don't work on that day. This message is also resonating with me also. I'm working from last 10 days continuously and I have to take a break. Yeah, tomorrow I will take a break too. So yes, let me see what are the messages. Too many messages. What are the messages for my Aquarius which I need to deliver? Give me the messages which I need to deliver. Is there any message? Too many cards. What are the messages? So first message for you is Electric Eel Spirit. Bring your ideas to life, Aquarius. Whatever ideas you are having, bring that ideas to life. Work on that ideas. Okay. There is Brown Bear Spirit. Take time out. Okay, take time out. Then there is Eagle Spirit. Spirit has your back. You don't know, you are not alone at all. Okay, Spirit has your back. There is Bat Spirit. A rebirth is assured. Okay, a rebirth is taking place. Death and rebirth. In your main reading also there was death card here, so death and rebirth is assured. There is Canary Spirit. Sing your own song. Okay, sing your own song is a message here. Then there is Crab Beetle Spirit. Magic works through you. Beautiful messages here. Magic works through you. There is Flamingo Spirit. Embarrass the in between. Okay, because you're going through a transformation, so you need to embrace the in between world of transformation. So this is the message which I was getting for you. Thank you so much, Animal Spirits, for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. I love it. Thank you. So let's see what are the messages from self-care cards. Let's add one or two cards, one or two messages. There is self-respect, rest and rest. Aquarius, rest. Maybe you are working for long period of time. Now this is the time for rest and relax. Release guilt and make your needs a top priority. Okay, so rest is here. Then there is self respect. Respect yourself. You are the best judge of what's right. Okay, so self respect is here. There is magnificence. Own your magnificence. The world needs your brilliance and grace. Beautiful message. Thank you for giving the beautiful messages to my lovely Aquarius. Kindred partnership. Let me see what are the message from Quantum Oracle deck. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Help me out to deliver the message. There is fear, there is friends and colleagues. What are the messages? Too many cards. No. What are the messages? Hidden motivation. Letting go. What are the messages which I need to deliver? What are the messages? Deserving, the honoring path. Any other message? Great gratitude. Okay, you have to feel great gratitude. So some of you Aquarius are feeling fear. That's your energy here, because you are not letting go of the past, letting go of the things which you need to let go, Aquarius. So learn to let go, letting go, so that you can get out of this fear energy as soon as possible. And because of these two energies, you are feeling like a stuck energy. You're feeling like in stuck energy. You are in a stuck energy, but you are not seeing that there is a rainbow and there are beautiful things which are waiting for you, Aquarius. There is someone around you in your friends and colleagues which are having some kind of hidden motivations here. So be careful from these friends and colleagues. Okay, then you have to know this, that you deserve everything. You are the deserving everything, and you are deserving this honoring path. Okay, so get up and rise, shine your light, Aquarius. You deserve love, you deserve everything. You deserve happiness, deserve abundance, you deserve respect, you deserve everything. So these are the message which I was getting for you from this deck. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from Spellcasting Oracle deck. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? What are the messages? Wow. What are the messages which I need to deliver to my Aquarius? Help me out to deliver the messages. Any other message? I was getting this message while shuffling also. So have compassion, Aquarius. Again the message is coming for you. Compassion is required for you. Then there is empowerment. Okay, you're getting more empowered than before. Use your talents. You are having beautiful talents, and you can use your talents in your career is going to blossom here. Can you see? Beautiful career is indicated. Use your talents, Aquarius. There is love which is coming for you, and there is commitment which is coming for you. There is commitment in love. Beautiful messages is here. So love and commitment is coming for you. Financial health is going to get increase. Okay, here beautiful message is here. Stop grieving on things which has been already happened in your life. Okay, grieving card is here. So these are the messages which I was getting for you. Thank you so much, Spellcasting Oracle deck, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from Vintage Wisdom Oracle deck. What are the messages which I need to deliver? Adventure is coming for you, Aquarius. Okay, adventure is coming for you. Lot of adventure is waiting for you, is coming for you. You just need to have faith, Aquarius. Have faith. Get your pure form. Purity and have faith is here. Purity and faith, and do surrender yourself. Okay, surrender yourself to the divine. Trust the divine plan, because beautiful things are coming for you. There is gentleness, so be gentle to yourself. There is guardian angel and ancestors which are protecting you. You are having a support of your ancestors, the blessings of your ancestors, and there is guardian angel who is seeing you, who are there with you. You are not alone at all. So guardian angel and ancestors are there, who are watching you, who are giving you blessings. Lot of blessings are there, who's giving you lot of beautiful things to you, Aquarius. 1616 was the recording reading time. Thank you so much for giving the beautiful messages. Let me see what are the messages from the guides. Okay, what are the messages for Aquarius? Give me the messages which I need to deliver. What are the messages? Oh, bottom of the deck I'm having. Okay, I got two. You are here for a reason, Aquarius. Okay, express your feelings. You are here for a reason. You are here for a reason. Express your feelings. Everyone has a value. Okay, everyone has a value. Calmness is not a weakness. Okay, if you're keeping your calmness is not a weakness. Kindness counts. Okay, so kindness counts. Have an attitude of gratitude. See, again the same messages here. Have an attitude of gratitude. Let go of ego. If you're having any kind of ego, you need to let go that as soon as possible. Live your bliss. You need to live your bliss. You are having blissful life, Aquarius. Live your bliss. Know your truth. You have to know your truth. And there is learn from your mistakes. Okay, so you need to learn from your mistakes. So these are the messages from the guides. Thank you, guides, for giving the beautiful messages. Let's see what are the messages from the universe. Karma is on your side. I just cut it out and I got this. Let's see what are the messages from the universe. Let me see what are the messages from the universe. Help me out to deliver the messages. What are the messages for Aquarius? What are the messages? What are the messages for Aquarius? Okay. Let me adjust it. Beautiful messages are here. Love is never in vain. Okay, so that's the message I'm getting. And there is not a soul on the planet who does not crave your approval. The only difference between a friend and foe is that you have decided where love can grow. Okay, prepare to be astounded. Beautiful. Love in spite of it all, Aquarius. Okay, love in spite of it all. Love is the reason. Each person in your life is there for a reason, and that reason always has something to do with love. So love is the reason. Love does not have to be near, Aquarius. Okay, give yourself much more credit. That's right, you have to give yourself much more credit. Then there is, you will find what you seek. You will find what you seek, Aquarius. You will find what you seek. All there is to love has been there all along. When you begin to find love in people and places where you have not found it before, it's always because you have grown. Okay, so you rock. That's the message from universe. Then there is, they choose you. You might not ready believe this, it might even spook you a bit, but there is those who choose this very lifetime in large part knowing you would be there. Now that's we called a reputation. Okay, they choose you. So these are the bonus love messages for March 2021, Aquarius. I hope I help you out in some manner. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel, and you can let me know in the comment section if you want to tell me anything. Sending you lots of love, light and healing energy to all my Aquarius wherever you are in the world. Take care of yourself, Aquarius, and see you soon.